Thank you for choosing CellularDR.com for your cell phone repair and unlocking needs. In this video, we will show you how to package and ship your cell phone to us for repair or unlocking. Things to include in the package are your damaged cell phone, battery door, and a copy of your repair receipt, which you can print once you have purchased a repair service on our website. Do not send your charger unless you're experiencing charging issues and would like your charger to be tested. Also, do not send your cell phone protective case or cover. We would like you to send your battery door and your battery. If your phone takes a SIM card or a memory card, be sure to remove them from the phone. If you have access to a backup phone, you can insert your SIM card in the temporary phone and use it while your phone is being repaired. Now take the copy of your order confirmation and circle the 6-digit order number. Wrap the order confirmation around the phone. Use bubble wrap or similar packing material to wrap and cushion the phone. Now assemble the small flat rate box, which you can pick up free from your local post office, and place the wrapped phone inside. You will most likely have extra room left over in the box, so go ahead and use extra packing material to fill the box so the phone does not move around. Remove the wax paper from the adhesive and seal the box firmly and securely. If additional packing tape is needed, feel free to add it after you have completed the address information. Write your name and return address information on the top portion of the box as shown. In the middle of the box where the ship to information goes, write the following. First line will be our company name, OmniCom. Next line, put Attention Repairs. Next line will be the address information, which is 6730 San Fernando Road. Next line is the city, state, and zip, which is Glendale, California, 91201. Next line, we would like you to write your 6-digit order number. So write repair number followed by the 6-digit order number. It's that simple. We recommend that you insure the package and be sure to get a tracking number. Also, it's very important that you add our email address, support@cellulardr.com, to your trusted email list so that you receive all our repair communication updates. Thank you for choosing CellularDR.com. We look forward to repairing your cell phone.